In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add clips to the end of a published reel on Instagram. The sequence of content on Instagram Reels is crucial for maximizing viewer engagement and algorithm favorability. The first few seconds are vital to capturing attention, encouraging viewers to watch the entire video. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. In the Reels section, let's say you want to add your own clip at the end of this reel, simply tap on these three dots right here. You will then head to this option of sequence. Tap on next to record your clip. When recorded, you can swipe up to edit your clip. You can add text, trim or voice over your added clip. Tap on this arrow to directly publish your newly created video to your Instagram. That's how easy it is to sequence clips on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.